Heat treatment refers to a manufacturing process that alters the internal microstructure of metallic materials through precisely controlled heating and cooling operations, thereby achieving desired mechanical and physical properties. This process not only enhances the strength and hardness of materials, but also improves characteristics such as toughness and wear resistance. Common heat treatment techniques include annealing, normalizing, quenching, and tempering. The primary objectives of heat treatment are to optimize material performance by adjusting its microscopic structure, specifically, enhance strength, improve machinability, relieve internal stress, increase corrosion resistance, optimize dimensional stability. Despite its significant advantages in industrial applications, critical considerations must be addressed during implementation to ensure process efficacy and safety. Key factors include temperature control, cooling rate, material selection, environmental factors, for example, humidity, air pressure, post-treatment processes, for example, grinding or polishing.